Who was the first president of the United States? What year did World War II end? Which empire built the Colosseum? The Great Fire of London happened in which year? Who was the Egyptian queen famous for her beauty and political skill? Where did the Industrial Revolution begin? What wall separated East and West Berlin? Who discovered America in 1492? The Renaissance began in which country? Who was the British Prime Minister during World War II? What was the Titanic's destination before it sank? Which ancient civilization built Machu Picchu? Who led India to independence through non-violence? Which war was fought between the North and South U.S. states? The Cold War was mainly between which two countries? When did Nelson Mandela become president of South Africa? Who painted the Mona Lisa? Which treaty ended World War I? Where was Napoleon Bonaparte born? What was the name of Hitler's political party? Who was the longest reigning British monarch, as of 2024? What ancient civilization used cuneiform writing? Which war did the famous Charge of the Light Brigade occur? What empire was ruled by Genghis Khan? Who invented the printing press? The Black Death was a type of what disease? What year did the Berlin Wall fall? Where was the Declaration of Independence signed? What was the main cause of the Cold War? Who was the first human in space? The ancient city of Troy was located in which modern country? What event began on October 29, 1929? What language did the Romans speak? Who was the first emperor of China? When did the French Revolution begin? What is the name of the ship that carried the Pilgrims to America? What was the Manhattan Project? Who conquered the Persian Empire? What empire used hieroglyphs for writing? Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the USA? What year did man first land on the moon? The Iron Age followed which era? What is the name of the Nazi plan to exterminate Jews? Who built the Taj Mahal? Which ancient empire created the first democracy? What was the Cold War symbol of division in Europe? Who was known as the Iron Lady? What battle marked Napoleon's final defeat? Who wrote the Communist Manifesto? What ancient civilization built ziggurats?